Hi guys, welcome back. How are we doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to make a quick reaction video based on the part of the video that we use in our live broadcast, which I said that I will come back to, bring it to you, present it to you. This is Nkere accusing Biafra Liberation Army of something that is very, very crucial. That somehow, I don't want to use the word scam, but the kind of conning Biafrans by pretending that they're working with them to make money. You're gonna hear that. But before then, please like the video and make it, get to many people by sharing it. I'm not the one that said it. You're gonna hear it from Nkere. That they never work for Biafrans, they're not intended to work for anybody. Even USB and RAF, which is Eggman and their fourth Deep Republic, which they called CRC and all that. Of course, they say that they're Brigido. Okay? And Nkere says something that like I said, I want to hear that. All I want from you here is to like the video. Even if you don't want to, maybe you don't care, like it, so that people who care will listen. Okay, matter, because if you na-eme gị n'ịmara ebe o si eme gị ịgwọta ya n'ahịa ahụ, o were gwa ọsadebe ọ sị that ife na-eme onye na-ayọ ya ife na-eme gị si n'ụlọ ngwọta ya hịara ahụ, because the person knows when you are getting well, how you are faring, and the person will go back in his secret coven and touch one or two things to hurt you the more. He have access to know how you are faring, even if you run away. The person will put one or two calls to relatives to know how you are and how to go about dealing with you. This is very, very sad. But like I said, just hear this. It's going to be a quick one. I will try my best to make it snappy. So it's not going to be a long, lengthy video. I will try my best to make it snappy. Like I said, just hear this.
This world, everything that you love so much, we turn to pain and agony. Some of you are so evil after seeing what is happening in Biafra land, how the Nigerian terrorists, how they are killing Biafrans. You are turned blind eye. Still fighting those that are working hard day and night to save Biafran life. What you don't know, don't talk about it. What you're not sure of, ask questions.
Okay.
But all of you that are going to space, calling my name, making me your topic.
Just don't worry, you're going to get to the part.
Joy will not come from your household.
Let him, he's laying course here. Just hold on.
All of you that are destroying the name of this humble servant of Biafra. Knowingly, not unknowingly, knowingly, your household, your family, agony, sorrow, pain.
Just a moment.
Will be your portion.
You hear that? Just a moment.
What you don't call me, ask me question, let me clarify. We are not here to look anyone's face. We have suffered. Biafrans have been killed in millions. We are struggling every day, doing whatever we can to make sure that our land is not overrun. While you have some people, their job is how to destroy everything we are working for. I will mention some names. Efe, I heard you either yesterday on your space. You will suffer. All of you that have colluded and lied against me. Helen Peter. Pain will be your portion. You will look for me to ask for forgiveness. Osa, all of you will suffer. Wrath. You will not see joy in your life. Fighting for freedom is not a joke. We are not here for political correctness. When it's time for political correctness, we will do that. All those that have slandered my name, all those that have cajoled or stopped Biafran people for supporting their freedom, knowingly, not unknowingly, knowingly, it will never be well with all of you. Next month, we'll be storming Washington, D.C. We'll be having meetings. A lot will happen next month. I just want to let Biafrans know. A lot of progress is going on. And Ngozi Orebeze, stop deceiving Biafrans. When you were thinking you are working with our BDF, you are not working with them. I know everything that is going on. Whatever they even try to do, the money that Biafrans are contributing to you, they try to even get it from you. They're never with you. Because they believe that any money that you scam Biafrans is Biafran money. Any trick, anyhow they can get it from you, whatever they do, I don't blame them. And for Ralph and the group, everything that is going on, I know that any dime that you guys collect from Biafrans, they will still try to get it out from you guys, by the way. Very soon, result in few weeks from now. Result. Please, I wish I can still continue. I know it's dark in Biafra land. Please, all those that said, I'm here to hijack Brigade, ask them, when Brigade was registered, how many of them is there present, by the way? How many of them know about it? How many of them even contribute a dime? A dime, just one dime, not two. How many of them know how much? How many of them know how much? How many contribute or contributed? When we were fixing the name of who's going to be in any board, who and who is there? And when I went back on July 31st to make changes, I did what I did to prevent the evil ones to go and destroy Brigade or do the same nonsense they have been doing. Go to our website. Our website has been altered. Both things I signed for before we post it on the website, they have altered and take everything up. They have destroyed the former website.